Welcome again my dear students. In this video we will going to continue chapter classification of human activities, economic and non-economic. Okay. In last video I was discuss about human activities and economic activities and non-economic activities. In this video we will talk about types of economic activities. Okay, types of economic activities. So before talking about types of economic activities, what is economic activities? What is economic activities? So we have already discussed in the previous video, but it still once again, economic activities are such activities which are done for earning. Yes, economic activities is categorized in three categories: business, profession and employment. Okay, let's start with business. Business includes all those economic activities which are concerned with the production and exchange of goods and services with the object of earning profit. Business is an economic activity because it is undertaken for earning money and producing wealth. All the organizations which carry on business activities are called business enterprises or business firms. Okay. So, in simple, business means production or selling or producing services for the purpose of earning profit. Simple. Business means production, selling or providing services for the purpose of earning money. For example, a factory, a shop, a transport, banking company, insurance company, beauty parlor, etc. are business. Yes, and the one who provide these services is called businessman. Okay. Now let's move on. Profession. Profession, the term profession means an occupation which involves application of specialized knowledge and skill to earn a living. The person who are engaged in the professional are called professionals. They render personal services of a specialized nature to their clients. Okay, the services of chartered accountant and tax consultants and doctors, yes, are professionals. So profession means providing service by that person should have a special knowledge plus degree in that field, a specialized degree in that field. For example, a doctor, a chartered accountant and a lawyer. Yes, and the persons who engaged in the profession are called professionals. Doctor, lawyer and chartered accountants are professionals. Yes, they provide service and charge fees for the consideration of his service. Okay. Now next one is employment. Employment means an activity which people work others in exchange for some remuneration. The person who work for other is called employee, and the person who or organization which engages other to work for them are called employers. Yes. So what happened in the employment? In employment, one person works for other, and in return for that work he receives salary or wages from him. Yes, for example, a teacher teaching in a school or college, a accountant working in accountant department of a company, and a nurse or doctor working in a hospital. Okay, so these are example of employment. Okay.